What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you had a good week so far and welcome to this new video on Solana while I adjust my camera. But no, welcome to a full analysis here. Wanted to give you my thoughts on the short term at the very least. Unfortunately, we've not been able to get some sort of a breakout. In general, like Solana, we started the week off pretty well, right? I mean, we got some nice momentum. We got a solid bounce from the support down here at 130, 125, 120, etc. Basically, if you zoom out this entire support and the 200 EMA on the daily time frame, which is also pretty key to recognize, that is still providing some support. That's actually a bullish confirmation, even though I mean we haven't been that strong. All right, Solana against Bitcoin, and we looked at that extensively as well. That earlier this week we actually had a strong uptrend there. We have lost that. All right, so Solana earlier this week looked much more bullish and more interesting than right now. I would actually say that on the short term, like if you zoom into the 1 hour time frame, I'm actually quite bearish on Solana right now. And I'll tell you why. We'll do a full update. I'll also tell you what's possible in terms of a reversal, because a reversal is always possible in crypto. All right. What you see right now, and we've talked about this earlier, is that Solana is in this big consolidation, right? It's consolidating between, if you zoom out, it's mostly consolidating between 160 and 157-ish. And then here at the bottom, 124 and 122. It's consolidating between those two levels, and we had some bullish momentum here in the middle of May, and that was great, but in the end that was a fake out, and we dropped back down, especially in June when we had all of that selling off with Bitcoin and in the markets. We dropped back down into that consolidation. So then what we had this week, also after that initial bullish momentum from Solana, is that we were actually quite close to getting back up, getting a bullish breakout and getting back up to the top of the range, because we were consolidating in this range right here between 138.5 and 144. And that's also what you can see on the 1 hour time frame. We really solidified a consolidation in that area. And what I told you the last time I covered Solana 2 days ago is that, all right, well, technically, you know, after hitting the bottom of the range here, it's quite likely that we go up to the top of the range. I even told you, I think that's most likely. However, what I also told you is that we needed to break above 144 first, and we were not able to do that. All right, and then what we also got is that Solana against Bitcoin started losing strength practically on Tuesday already, but Wednesday and Thursday it really started losing its bullish momentum. And then yesterday Bitcoin, of course, was quite weak. So that really was the point of time when things started to shift. And for Solana, that meant a bearish breakout yesterday afternoon below 138.5. So that means on the short term we are bearish, all right, because we were in the middle here. From the middle you can go up or down in the consolidation, and so far we've seen a bearish confirmation, a bearish breakout, all right. So a bearish breakout is a bearish confirmation. And then if you look at Solana itself, look, Solana against Bitcoin is not strong. We have seen some momentum here come in, which is a lot of short orders. So what is a possibility? And that's kind of the, like purely technically, it's most likely right now that we'll drop back down into 128 down to 120. All right, that's most likely. Purely technically, that's most likely. Now, would I short Solana? No. And the reason for that is that Friday in general is very volatile. And if you look at the liquidity for Solana right now, like across the board, also for Bitcoin, a lot of shorts have been opened. So what that means for Solana is that basically all the way from 139 up to 145, there's a ton of liquidity. And I do think that there's a high possibility for some sort of a spike today up. So that makes it unattractive to short. I don't think, even though like there's a lot of liquidity to the upside, so some sort of a spike up, I do think is most likely. But unless that turns into real bullish momentum, that will just be a spike and then a continuation down. Right, so for now, I would say something like this is most likely. If we actually, like so far, the momentum we've gained is mostly short orders. If that turns around, like after getting that spike up and we liquidate some shorters, if we actually gain some positive momentum, so open interest with a positive CVD, then we can turn bullish. But I would say, like, I'll cover that in the middle of the day market updates, but for now, I would say that's unlikely. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.